Well, hello, I am David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and this is just a quick video. You're on our cabinet painting page, so we appreciate you stopping by. We just want to do a quick video for you, maybe it won't be so quick, on the cabinet painting, kind of what you can expect, our processes, that kind of stuff. If you signed up on our contact page, you'll get some automated emails. The emails have links to blog posts, YouTube channels, all kinds of things about cabinet painting. But we kind of just wanted to go over a few things while you're here before you get into the thick of it, just to kind of set your mind at ease. Cabinet painting is by far one of the funnest things and the thing I most enjoy about our business. It just really sets us apart as far as what we do, because we're spraying everything. We don't use brush and rollers, we're spraying because it gives it the most professional, perfect appearance as possible. We want that factory look at all times. Couple things people ask: will my paint peel when it's done correctly, like we're doing it in the process we're using? We're cleaning it, we're sanding it, cleaning it again, sanding it again, cleaning it. Then we're using a bonding primer. That bonding primer, it's made to stick to glass, it's made to stick to ceramic tile, so it's going to stick to your wood cabinet. And then we use a top coat. It's a hybrid lacquer. It bonds and it sticks and it dries hard, so that paint will not peel from your cabinet. I'm going to tell you, there's times where guys have missed a spot. Usually it's on the bottom corner where it's really dirty and greasy. They forgot a spot and the paint doesn't stick too well. We come take that door, start from scratch, sand it down, redo it completely free. It's part of our lifetime warranty. Will paint chip? Yes, paint can chip. It's a wood cabinet, and the wood is the softest substrate. So if the wood is dented, then the paint can chip. But in normal circumstances, the paint doesn't chip. We're on 14 years in our second color of cabinets, so it lasts. We do it for our own home, so we want to make sure that whatever we do for our customers, we do it ourselves to make sure you're getting the best product possible. Water damage is an issue, so the water and wood, overall, they don't mix. If you got a deck, you know that for sure. So with wooden cabinets, you want to make sure you're not leaving a wet rag on top of it. You're not using too much soap and water, leaving it on there overnight, so it just airs dry. MDF cabinets, we do a lot of MDF cabinet repairs. So if you have cabinets that are MDF and they've had water damage, it looks all puffy, so we can actually fix that and make them look new. But again, that's usually due to too much water on the surface. So you want to make sure you're not leaving a wet rag on there, hand towel, that kind of thing. Our process is relatively simple. You'll read about it below. We'll send you an email that has that process on there. That same email has links to our YouTube videos on how we're doing it. So the biggest thing we're doing is clean and prep is the number one thing we're worried about. We want to make sure we're cleaning any kind of impurity. Usually it's cleaning chemicals that people have used before. Sometimes it's food and grease. We want to make sure we're using a cleaner, usually Dawn dish soap mixed with a little bit of ammoniac, and it tears through everything. And then we wipe it down with denatured alcohol, and then we'll give it one more clean after that. And then we're using a bonding primer. That bonding primer, again, sticks to glass. So we use that for painting backsplashes, because it's made to stick to ceramic tile. So you don't have to replace your ceramic tile. If we're looking to get your kitchen updated, we can just paint it a different color. It's kind of nice because we could do a high gloss paint, so it also looks like subway tile type of a look. Looks pretty cool. But that primer, if it's made for ceramic tile, it's going to stick to your wood cabinets. And then we use a hybrid lacquer. We do not use acrylic paints. We do not use latex paints. We use hybrid lacquer paints for cabinets. That's what it's made for. If you're buying a brand new cabinet, they're spraying it with lacquers. We're using a hybrid lacquer, so it's modified, so it's still a lacquer finish. The difference is it dries hard as a rock. Other stuff, they have urethanes, so like polyurethane. We're using lacquer. It's a completely different product than what a lot of companies use, but we use it because it lasts. It lasts and it lasts. We've been using it for 2007. That's how long we've been using this product for, and it's never changed. That's the other thing I love about it. The tints may change, but the product itself does not. So it's just built to last. Once everything is cleaned, we're taking your doors back to our shop. Our shop is on the other side of our house here. Stinking geese. So we take all your doors, all your drawers, we take them back to our house and take our shop, which is on our property. So everything gets prepped there that's not getting prepped at your house. And we are sanding, cleaning, hanging all your doors. Everything gets sprayed at your house. Once everything is down, we mask everything, all the floors, all the walls, unless we're painting your walls or ceilings. We're going to mask those off. Backsplashes gets masked. Inside your cabinets get masked. We spray for that also. We use ventilator fans to go outside, so you don't have to worry about too much dust. You don't have to worry about dust in your house because we're using a fan. It goes outside. You don't have to worry about dust in your house. But it gives you the best finish. That way your doors and your drawers look exactly the same. There are other contractors that'll brush and roll the boxes, but they'll spray the doors. It does leave a difference. So the boxes may feel textured compared to the doors. Some people like that, some people don't. We just spray everything because we want it to be the same. Whether you're feeling the box, you're feeling the cabinet, you touch it and feel it, it's all uniform. That's our goal. Once everything is sprayed, we turn everything back. All the hinges will go back in the exact same spot that we took them from. So that way, if there's an issue at the door, if there was an issue before, it'll be the same issue now. So we'll give you that precursor. We have replaced hinges before. Not every hinge can be replaced. We'll let you know that when we do our walkthrough. We can replace the handles. We'll do that before we start. So if you're getting new handles, we want to make sure we have those handles before we start the job, so we can drill and do all that kind of work before we put paint on your cabinets. And then everything gets put back exactly in place. We remove all the protective film, remove all the paper, all the plastic, and leave you with a brand new kitchen. It's an amazing result, the difference in the before and after. Hopefully that answers some of your questions about painting your cabinets. We'd love to see how we can help you. If you read below, pretty much you can call us, you can text us through your pictures. We'll get you a ballpark estimate what that is. If the ballpark estimate is within your price range, we'll come out with some samples and see if this is a fit for you. Hopefully we are a fit for you. Love to see how we can help you love the space you're in, and you have a blessed day. God bless.